Hello, everybody, and welcome to Business and Finance Friends. I hope you're all having a great day and hope you are all enjoying this current bull market that we're in for cryptocurrency. Today, I'm going to be doing a little bit of live trading on Bybit. I am doing a high-risk scalping method. So if that's something that may interest you, watch till the end. And you might learn a few little tricks on how to trade on Bybit. And basically what we're going to be trying to do is just take some small profits when we see an opportunity in the market. So I'm going to be switching up between me on the screen and going full screen. So let me know what you prefer. I know some people prefer a bit of a webcam view while people are trading. So I will leave it like that for now. But so welcome to the stream, everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment and subscribe, because I am a new YouTuber and it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Anything I say in this stream is not financial advice. You need to go out there and do your own due diligence and before you invest any of your own money. So make sure you always do your own research and never listen to what people say or do on YouTube. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and it's up to you to decide what you want to do. So yeah, guys, welcome to Business and Finance Friends. Let's get stuck into the video. So heading over to Bybit. Okay. So let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. So the current price is $35,289.50. It looks like we're in a bit of a consolidation at the moment. Bit of sideways consolidation, but we have had a bit of a run up. We were worried it was going to drop further, but that hasn't happened yet. So on the 1 minute chart, it's consolidating. 5 minute chart shows a bit of a downtrend. Okay, the half hour chart is a slight downtrend, a little bit choppy. The 1 hour chart's also showing a downtrend. And the 4 hour chart is giving mixed signals here. So we're mostly going to be trading on the 1 minute chart today because we're going to be scalping. So right now it would be a good time to probably put in a short trade because we've broken through the resistance here. Sometimes you have to be pretty quick with these types of trades. So what's the price? We're at 35,205. You want to set your stop loss and your take profit. 5,250. Plus 35,350. Look, it's already dropped. So you got to be quick. If you see an opportunity, you got to jump in at the right time. 180. I could be late to this trade, actually. Look, I didn't put in the quantity. Okay, by the time you've got your trade all entered and stuff, sometimes it's already moved in the direction you were expecting. See, I wanted to put in a short here, but by the time I got all the info in, it's already dropped. So we'll wait for it to go up and hopefully hit my order here. Or you can quickly go in and adjust it. That's the other option. Where is it? Okay, let's go. So we've got our active orders here. Still think it's going to drop. So I'll go and change this to 164. There you go, the order's been filled. Okay, so we're scalping here, so we're hoping that it drops more. But if it starts going way against us, we're gonna just pull out of the trade completely. See, by the time I got all my info in, that could have been like $4 that I made, but it's now going up the other direction. So you'll see here the line at the top's where I'm going to exit the trade, because I've put in a short trade. I think it's going down here to this line. So it'll take profit here, or it will take a loss here. So basically, you analyze the charts, you decide which direction you think that the trade's going, and you just take small profits. And that's how this scalping method works. So this is my first trade for the day. And I'm doing a short trade here, guys. Hopefully it goes well. Make sure you, if you're going to walk off and not pay attention, make sure you set your stop loss. So my liquidation price is $35,699. That's how risky it is trading with a high leverage. But I have put my stop loss in at $35,350. So hopefully that gets hit. Otherwise, you can lose your whole account doing this stuff. So you got to be careful, guys. And like, we're just trying to make some little profits here. We don't want to go losing $1,200, do we? Because that's basically how much you're risking if your stop loss doesn't get hit. So yeah, today's the 18th of January, 2021, and Bitcoin is in the $35,000 range. Although I'm going short on a few of these scalping trades, I do think it's going to go up there. Probably by the end of today, it will go up. Let's see how we go here with this trade. So I'm 21 new here. We're doing some leverage trading on Bybit. I've dropped a link below if you're interested in joining up with Bybit and you want to have a go of doing this sort of stuff. This method is kind of like gambling a little bit, but you know, it can be profitable. And so we're kind of treating it like a job today. We're going to see how much we can make in about an hour. So we'll see. We might go longer than that, but at the moment we're aiming for about an hour. So we're hoping that this will come down and hit our take profit here. And if we're wrong and it hits our stop loss, we shouldn't lose too much money, and then you just try again. And that's how this scalping method works. So it's actually going against us. We're at a loss of $5.48. Hey guys, welcome to the stream. All the new people coming in to watch. Hope you're all having a good day and Hope your trading's going well. So we're on a 50x leveraged margin trade here, going short, and we're currently at a slight loss of $3. Yep, around $3. And we've set up some brackets here. So we're either going to take a profit here or take a loss here. And it's based on checking the charts and trying to guess the direction of the market, basically. So I think it's going to go down at the moment. That's why I've put in this trade based on the 1 minute to the 30-minute charts. But we're trading in such a small range here that it really is kind of like gambling, but it's still a little bit of fun and it can be profitable. So let's see how much we can make. Make sure if you're doing 50x leverage, you do enter a stop loss. Otherwise, you can blow up your whole account. Okay, so we are still going sideways action at the moment. So sometimes it gets a bit boring, just waiting for the trades to go through. You don't have to sit there watching the chart all day. You can do a few things, play on your phone. As long as your analysis is correct, you shouldn't need to really watch it. You can go off, come back and go, oh, cool, that trade's gone through. And then you go see, was it a winning scalping trade or was it a losing scalping trade? And then you just set up the next one and start all over again. Here we go. We're getting rejected from the upside, so it could potentially drop down to my profit zone. Profit zone. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Hopefully that trade comes good. And we are live. Ooh, it's actually losing a little bit again. Okay. Drop it. Drop it like it's hot. So yeah, if it wicks down here, we're going to take a profit. If it continues to go up, it's going to be a loss on this trade. But it shouldn't be a huge loss. Probably like at most $6 worth of Bitcoin. Here we go. We're going down. It's getting rejected a lot on the upside. See those wicks? Each candle is getting pushed down, so there's a chance that it could still come into a profit here. So guys, drop a comment. Where do you predict that Bitcoin's going to go by the end of today, the end of the week, and the end of this month? And also, when do you predict alt season is going to start? Are you guys starting to buy a few altcoins? And what are your favorite altcoins at the moment? So guys, we're on 50x leverage. Dom, dom, dom. It's not as scary as people make it out to be, though, is it? As long as you make a realistic profit and a realistic stop loss, you can just do this all day long. I don't even need to stand here and watch it. I could walk off for half an hour, and by the time I come back, we'll see if I either profited or lost a bit of money. So the red line is where I actually bought in. See here? I was trying to buy in here, but you got to like get your order filled. By the time I got my order in, it's gone up slightly, but I'm still thinking it could drop down to here and we'll take a little profit here. So that's how the scalping works on Bybit. We're at minus $2.47 at the moment. Welcome to everyone who's just coming into the stream. Hope you're all having a good day, wherever you are, or whatever you might be up to. Be sure to drop a comment, say hello, introduce yourself. I am a new YouTuber, so I would really appreciate if you could like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be bringing you a lot more content. Stuff that I'm interested in includes trading, making money online, and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, looks like we're going down now, which is good. Hopefully we'll break down some more. best thing to do while you're waiting for these trades to go through is just play some video games on your phone. And yeah, it's a good feeling making some money while you play some video games. So it's pretty good. I'm playing Street Fighter 4 on my phone at the moment. I am playing online. So if anyone wants to try fight me, my nickname is PSN Russ on this little game. Whoa. While I wasn't looking, we've got a big wick to the upside. I'm probably going to take a loss here. Oh, well. If we lose, we just set up another one. We're pretty close to a loss here. We're losing about $7, and my stop loss is about to get hit. My stop loss is $35,350, and we're just about to hit it, and I've hit it at a loss of $7.85. So with the scalping, this is what can happen. There was a downtrend. It looked like it was going to come down and make a profit, but instead we've had a breakout to the upside, which has resulted in a loss. So what we do is we regroup, have a think about what we want to do for the next trade, maybe even go have a break if you're losing. But, that's the risk that you take. But at least my stop loss got hit and I only lost $6. Better than losing your whole account. How are you guys doing anyway? This is Street Fighter, which I like playing. Fun. So yeah, I like playing video games. I like making money. All the good stuff. Oh, you got me. Profound sadness. These guys are like pros on this game. Look, if I'd actually stayed in that trade, we're actually heading down now. We're probably heading down to where I thought we were heading. But I made the choice. I decided to have a stop loss set at a certain point. Yeah, look, the trade, oh my gosh. The trade actually is going down to where I was expecting. See that? It still looks like it's going to drop. I think there'll be a temporary pump up now and then another drop. I could see it dropping all the way down to here, actually. So what we can do is we can enter another trade, but I just want to wait and see what happens here. So guys, if you're just coming in, I'm trying a scalping method. So far I've lost about $8. in 25 minutes. So trade at your own risk. I'm using 50x leverage here. So you can either make a quick profit or you can lose quite a bit of money pretty quickly. So yeah, it still looks like it's going down. What's the price? 35,000. Okay. This will probably pump up a little bit. No, it's going down still. Okay. We short it? What do you guys reckon? Take profit. Are we going to dip below 35,000? Oh, whoops. Forgot a zero here. Yeah, sometimes you got to be quick because the price moves so quickly. You quickly go in and edit your order if you think it's going to drop more. Or it could wick up and hit my order now anyway. Because the whole idea of scalping is you want to capture these big moves and quickly get out with a profit. In and out, in and out. That's what you want to do with these trades. I'll give it a minute. I'm pretty sure it's going to wick up and grab my order there. Or is it going to drop from here? Okay. Is it going up? 0, 9, 5. It is going up. 0, 9, 5. Bit of indecision here. Okay, what we'll do is we'll put in 0.95. If it comes down, my order will get filled. 0.95. Okay. That order is now open. We've opened it here. We're predicting a drop down to here where it will take profit. If it goes all the way up to here again, we will take a loss. But at least we won't lose our whole account. And that's once again how scalping works. You put in these little trades, you try and make a little profit here and there, and once one trade finishes, you start another one. So we're right on the price that I entered at the moment. We're on 50x leverage. Okay, we're currently losing a little bit. Cool. So that trade's losing at the moment, and might take a while for it to finish. Cool bananas. I'm gonna go grab a drink. Be right back. Maybe when I get back, that trade will be in a profit, hopefully. How are we going? So it's still just going sideways at the moment. All right. Cool. Hope you guys are enjoying the stream, and you're obviously interested in Bitcoin trading, all those types of things, and I'm also interested in that stuff. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll be getting more content such as this in the future. Really helps out the little guys that are trying to build up our channels when you guys support us. So thanks very much. Thumbs up for you guys. Here comes the dump. And you'll notice that as it dumps, my profits here will go up. We're in the red at the moment, which means we're at a loss. As soon as that turns green, we're in profit. And you can set up a limit order and close that in profit if you wanted to. That's basically, there you go, we're in profit now. So if I wanted to, I could close it in profit, but you got to remember fees on these websites as well. But the cool thing is that if you don't use a market order, use a limit order, you're actually considered a maker, and you actually make money from the site. It's a small percentage, but if you're actually using market orders, you're a taker, so you get charged more fees. So that's something else to keep in mind. Do a little bit of research, you'll understand it more. So we've been trading for about 34 minutes. So far, haven't made any profit, and actually about $8 lost. So this is what trading's like. The cool thing about this scalping stuff is you don't even have to watch it. Look, I've set it up so that I think it's going to come down here and take a profit. If not, it's going to go up here and I'm going to lose my money. So I'm either going to make like $8 or I'm going to lose like $8. So that's basically how the method works. And you're probably wondering, well, how does he know that it's going to go down? All I did was look at the charts. I can see we're in a downtrend. And I set up these little brackets that are going to finish the trade. And once it's done, you can go on and do another one. So you can do this all day long, but the question is it worth it? Because look at that, it's going against me. So I'm losing this trade. That'll be 2 losses in a row. If I lose, it'll be 2 losses in a row. So yeah, it's very like risky, I think, doing this scalping trading. You can have some days where you make good profits, and then you can have other days where you just have consecutive losses, and it's like, what the hell? So anyway, consider it more like just a bit of fun, I think, this scalping stuff. There might be some people out there that can do it for a living and make good profits off it, but it is pretty risky because it's hard to predict the market in such a small time frame, you know. They actually call it going to war on the 1 minute chart. That was what some people call it. And yeah, so we're on 50x leverage here. We're going down to test the downside again now. We could have a breakdown, which would be good. Love to show you guys making a bit of a profit here. Welcome everyone to the stream. Hope you're all having a great day. Trading Bitcoin on Bybit today. Scalping trading. There we go. We're breaking down. There you go. We're in a profit of $1.07 at the moment. Okay. Well, it's looking a bit better. Hopefully we win this one. So guys, let's have a chat. You can leave a comment below if you're watching this later on. But which altcoins do you guys predict are going to 5x soon? And in what time frame? I'm really looking for some 5x gems, actually. Some coins that are going to go 5x. I think that would be pretty good. And I think it's a realistic target to have, to try find some altcoins that are going to go 5x. I'm currently looking at Chainlink. Chainlink's looking good lately. Had some massive gains on Chainlink. It's around $22. And yeah, I'd love to see that go 5x. That'd be pretty sweet. Definitely could happen. And the other one that I've been watching is Polkadot. That's had a massive rally this week. I think it's up like 45%. So I could definitely see Polkadot doing a 5x as well. So those are the coins I'm looking at the moment. Let me know what you guys are looking at the moment. Also, what are the coins you're looking at out of the top 50? Are there any altcoin gems that you can recommend? I mean, wouldn't it be awesome to find a 100x coin or a 1000x coin? That'd be sweet. But there's currently like 8,000 cryptocurrencies on the market, so it's become harder to find those gems that are going to really moon. Whereas back in the 2017 bull market, there was like 5 times less cryptocurrency, so it was a lot more easier to make profits and pick the right coins. So yeah, this trade's actually going against us now. We're losing $4.72, which isn't good. But that's just how scalping works, really. So I've set up my trade here on where the red line is. I put in a short trade on 50x leverage, thinking that it was going to come down here and take a profit. I've set my stop loss at 35,300. So we could have a loss here because it has started to rally to the upside. But yeah, that's just how trading works. I mean, we take risks, and you gotta like have balls to trade, really, and you gotta have spare cash. You can't be worried about like losing $5 here and there if you're doing this scalping trading. the question just becomes, is it worth doing? Because I mean, look, I've been over here trading now for how long? 40 minutes, and I haven't made any profit. I've actually lost $8, and this current trade's losing another like $4. So it's got, if you're going to do this scalp trading, it's the type of thing you want to just have it sort of automatically running. You just come in, set it up, walk away, go do your other stuff for the day. Treat it as like a little bit of fun and even gambling, I would say. Here we go. We're heading down again. So yeah, guys, what are your picks on altcoins for this year? What do you think's going to do well? I actually saw Electronium recently had a 100% like, what's the word, increase, and that was because they started advertising on television, on a few television channels. They were advertising their AnyTask application, which is run with Electronium. So that had a bit of a run up, but there hasn't been any other news since then. But a few other YouTubers have suggested that Electronium could potentially 10x in the bull market, and so that'd be pretty cool to see. Electronium was like one of the most hyped coins during its ICO, so I know there's still a lot of people that are holding Electronium, and came out at 1 cent, went all the way up to 16 cents, and now it's currently at just under it's a little bit over half a cent now. So that's something that I'm looking at. Let me know what you guys are buying and what you guys are recommending, because we're all friends here. We're all trying to help each other out. That's the whole idea of this channel. We want to be wealthy, healthy, and wise. Wealthy, healthy, and wise. So yeah, consider this channel like a community channel. We all get in here and we help each other out with what platforms are good, profitable, what coins that we think are going to be profitable. And that's the whole idea of business and finance, friends. So don't be shy to come on here and leave a few comments, like the channel and subscribe, because it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And I am a new YouTuber. So every subscriber counts at this point. Smash up the like button, guys. Smash up the like button if you are loving this Bitcoin rally we're having this year. Can you believe we're at $35,000 for one Bitcoin? Whew. 35 grand. It's quite amazing, really, isn't it? And we said the same thing when it was 20,000. We said the same thing when it was 10,000. Bitcoin at this point just seems unstoppable. So yeah, go Bitcoin. Let's go. Okay. How's it going, guys? Welcome to the stream. We're trading Bitcoin for a short here with a take profit at $34,950. It is just a little scalping trade. That's what we're doing. Seeing how much we can make doing some little scalps. Using 50x leverage. It is very risky, so make sure you set your stop losses. I've set up a stop loss here at $35,300. And yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Welcome to all the people coming into the stream. Hope you're all having a good day. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Let's see, how are we going? So yeah, basically, I just want to explain this scalping method that I'm using here. We first of all analyze the charts. We zoom out as far as we can go. So we first of all go to the daily chart. And it looks like we've had like kind of a double top here. And it looks like from this point here, we could have a slight pullback because we've tried to rally, rejected, tried to rally, rejected. And we're kind of at this point where it's either going to break and take off to the upside, or we're going to have a slight pullback here. So what we then do is we have a look at some of the other charts. 4-hour chart's choppy and all over the place. You can't really take anything away from that. The 1-hour chart is on a downtrend. The 30-minute chart's also on a downtrend. The 5-minute chart is on a downtrend. And the chart that we actually concentrate on is the 1-minute chart because we're scalping here. So we're just trying to make some small profits on the little movements of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's actually moving more towards the sideways lately. So it's probably not a great day for scalping because I've been scalping now for 48 minutes and I haven't quite made a profit yet. So I'm waiting for it to come down here and hit my take profit. That'd be pretty sweet. So yeah, we just wait and we can chat about some other things. So what do you guys think? What's going to be the next big thing in crypto? What are your predictions? I think that's what we love about cryptocurrency is that we all get to speculate. We speculate like what's going to be the next big coin. We can speculate on prices. We can speculate on Bitcoin. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? What do we predict? And everyone has their own predictions, which is pretty cool and interesting. Oh, we're heading up. We might take a loss here. I'm not going to extend my my stop loss. If we hit it, we hit it. That's all there is to it. We'll set up another trade. So we're currently losing on this trade $7.70. And we've got the stop loss set at 35,300. So not good, but we could come down. Hey, hello, Jackie. And hello, Miro. How are you guys doing? Hope you're having a good day. Welcome to the stream. So we're going down now, which is good. So this scalping method can either be highly profitable or it can be like a little bit time consuming, I think. So sometimes it's good to just walk away and go do something else. Keep an eye on how your trades are going, and yeah, try and enjoy your day. I mean, we're all in this to make money. That's what we want to do. But we don't want it to consume our lives. We don't want to be watching charts all day long. Some people can do it. I don't know how they do it. They just sit there and watch charts all day long. Oh, we took a loss there. Okay. It's all right. It's okay. So the market went up and I'd put in a trade for it to go down. So lost about $8 there. So we're currently at a loss of $16 for today. And you can see, look, it's just rallying totally, just happened suddenly, unexpectedly. It looked like it was going to go down. And this is what happens with Bitcoin. It's very volatile. So you can do all this chart reading and stuff. And after that, Bitcoin just does whatever it wants to do all the time, doesn't it? So that's why this scalping strategy is more like gambling, I think, because it's not long-term profitable. It doesn't always work. I remember there was a day where I made like $500 doing this. I made $500 in 2 days, and then the following day I didn't make a profit. So it doesn't always work, you know. And I was spending 12 hours those days trading. So you know, you got to decide if it's worth. You got to decide if it's worth putting in all the time as well for the profit that you're making. But if you're trading with larger amounts, it probably would be worth doing. Because if I'd been trading with I think I was trading with around $1,000 or something like that. If I'd been trading with $10,000 and doing the same trades, I probably would have made like $5,000 in 2 days. So it's all about your skill level, how much you're willing to risk, how much money you're putting into it, stuff like that. So, yeah. So Bitcoin is doing a large green lightsaber, which is, it's just happened out of the blue, basically. Wonder how high it's going to go. So I haven't got any trade in at the moment. I'm just watching to see what it's doing. It's testing support at this level. And then it's going to try hit this level next, I think. So guys, the thing with trading too is try not to get upset if you lose. You just chalk it down to a loss and carry on to the next trade. And we never go into trading with any money that we can't afford to lose, because all trading is risky. Doesn't matter how much skill you have or how much you analyze the charts, there's always a chance you can lose some money. And you got to remember that when you're trading. So today I've had a non-profitable day, but I don't really care because I already knew that that could happen. And really Bitcoin, the best thing about Bitcoin is just holding on to it for the long term. All this trading stuff is more just a way to accumulate more Bitcoin. But if you find that you're losing your Bitcoin, it's really not worth doing. You may as well just hold on to your Bitcoin and don't worry about the trading. But, you know, it's always a bit of fun speculating on the direction of Bitcoin. So it looks like we've come up for trading for about an hour. Yeah, look, now we're testing this level here. If we can break through, it's going to then test here. And then it would test here. And then after that, it'll just shoot up because there's not much resistance on the 5-minute chart if it can get to that level. Let's have a look at the 1-minute chart. What's happening there? Yeah, look, they just totally started mooning out of nowhere. We had all this sideways chopping action and looked like it was probably going to drop down, but instead it's just shot up suddenly. 30-minute chart. Nice green wick. 1 hour. Doesn't look that massive on the 1 hour chart, does it? It looks pretty normal. The 4 hour chart, it's like nothing. Just a little blip. Okay, so anyway, guys, we're gonna end the stream there, I think. We didn't have a profitable day today. That was 1 hour of trading on Bybit, and the total loss was roughly $16. And, you know, could have made $16 in an hour if it had gone the other direction. So this is what you need to decide. Do you want to, if I'd had one winning trade and one losing trade, that would have been like made no money because I would have lost $8, made $8, balanced out. So with this strategy, you need to be like 75% correct for it to be profitable. But yeah, that's the scalping method. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much from Business and Finance Friends. There is a link below if you guys would like to join Bybit. And I've also listed a few passive income platforms that I'm involved with, such as CashFX and QBTech. So if you guys are interested in earning like 1 to 2% daily with no risk, because they do the trading for you, yeah, check those out. They're in the link below. And yeah, so thanks very much for watching. Hope you guys are having a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys all soon. Thanks very much from Business and Finance Friends. Peace.